Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two titans of the tiny plastic universe, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Asani Mini. Spoiler alert, one of these might just be the Ferrari of 3D printers, and the other, well, let's just say it's more like a tricycle. Let's get printing! First up, let's talk about the thing that really matters when you're buying anything: price. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is going to set you back a whopping $500. That's right, folks, for the price of the Asani, you could almost buy two Neptunes and still have enough left over for a pizza. So if you're looking for a 3D printer and a dinner date, the Neptune's got you covered. Now, size matters, right? Well, in the printing world, it sure does. The Neptune 3 Pro boasts a generous print size of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters. That's big enough to print your dreams, or at least a life-sized bust of your favorite superhero. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini offers a print size that's, well, mini. It's compact and cute, but if you're looking to print anything larger than a coffee mug, you're going to be out of luck. Are you a tech wizard or a mere mortal? Either way, we've got you covered. The Neptune 3 Pro comes mostly pre-assembled, so you won't need an engineering degree to get started. Plus, it's got a silent stepper motor. Because let's face it, nobody wants their printer sounding like a jet engine taking off. The Asani Mini, on the other hand, is fully assembled right out of the box. It's like the IKEA of 3D printers. No assembly required. But beware, it's so easy to use. Even your grandma could print her own dentures. Quality is king, right? The Neptune 3 Pro features a dual-gear direct drive extruder, which sounds fancy because it is. This means smoother filament feeding and fewer clogs, so your prints will come out looking like $1,000,000. The Asani Mini has auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail, which is great for beginners. But let's be real, it's not going to win any beauty contests. It's like comparing a gourmet burger to a fast food cheeseburger. Both will fill you up, but one's just a bit more satisfying. Who doesn't love smart gadgets? The Neptune 3 Pro comes with auto mesh bed leveling and a smart resume printing feature. It's like the Tesla of 3D printers, high-tech and super cool. The Asani Mini has one-touch filament loading and is Wi-Fi capable, which is great if you want to print your latest creation from the comfort of your couch. But let's be honest, folks, when it comes to smart features, the Neptune is playing chess, while the Asani is playing checkers. Based on Amazon reviews, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is highly praised for its ease of assembly, print quality, and advanced features, though it requires some learning and calibration. Reviewers highlight its affordability and reliability, making it a strong choice for both beginners and experienced users. The Asani Mini, on the other hand, receives positive feedback for being user-friendly, fully assembled, and perfect for beginners or children. However, its higher price and smaller print size are noted as drawbacks. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is your go-to for serious printing with a side of affordability. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini is great for beginners or anyone who just wants to dip their toes into the 3D printing pool. If you can afford the price tag, that is. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing. Remember, buy smart, live smarter, and check out the product links in the description.